This slow cooker low mean beef is a belter of a chuck it, cover it and forget it slow cooker recipe. The only prep you have to do is chop a few ingredients and even the noodles cook in the slow cooker, absorbing all of the delicious juices. The end result is a stunning dinner packed with flavour and is loaded with 45 grams of protein per serving. Hey, I'm nutritionist Scott Baptiste and welcome back to my Food for Fitness kitchen. Now, this recipe we're going to make today is really exciting. The reason for this is not only does it taste delicious, but it is one of the brand new recipes from my soon-to-be released Food for Fitness recipes app. Now, this new app comes out on the 28th of August. The app brings together over 280 delicious, nutritious, and family-friendly high-protein recipes, with new ones being added every month that include the calories, fat, protein, and carb content for every recipe. You can also find the perfect recipe in seconds with the advanced search filters. Search by protein source, dietary preference, meal type, prep time, and more. Anyway, I'll tell you more about the app in the next couple of weeks, but this is how you cook low mean beef. One of the best things about this recipe is just how easy the prep is. All we're going to do is chop up some veggies and some steak and bung it in the slow cooker. That's it. The first veggie we're using is a carrot, so just peel that and then slice it up. And do the same with 2 peppers. Ideally, this should be a green and a red, but typically when I went to film this recipe, my red peppers had vanished from the fridge, so I had to use 2 green. And then do the same with some mushrooms. And then for steak, I'm using the quick lean frying steak. Chop off any visible fat, just slice it nice and thin, and then add that to the slow cooker along with those chopped veggies. At this point in the video, I've got a little favour to ask. If you could just click that like button, I would be very, very grateful. Then all you need to do is add your garlic and ginger, 10 grams of each, and 500 mils of beef stock, along with 200 mils of oyster or hoisin sauce, the kind, like the stir-fry kind from a packet, not the concentrated stuff in a jar. And that may seem like a lot of liquid for a slow cooker recipe, but don't worry, when you add the noodles, it absorbs it all up. So yeah, this is more liquid than you've probably seen me use in the slow cooker before, but fear not. Then once you've mixed that through, cook it on high for about 4 hours or low for about 6 to 7 hours. And then afterwards, it should look something like that. And then all you're going to do is add in your dry egg noodles. We're using about 250 grams. I went about OTT trying to break these up and mix them into the sauce and ended up making the noodles absolutely tiny. So don't do that, but just break them up ever so gently and let them soak in the liquid. And it all will just take about 10 to 12 minutes. Keep an eye on it. You don't want this to be overcooked. But then after that, all the liquid's pretty much gone. The noodles are going to taste absolutely delicious. And then all you need to do is just plate it up, garnish with some green parts of a spring onion and some sesame seeds. Then you get stuck in and enjoy it. So that is slow cooker low mean beef from the brand new Food Fitness Recipes app, which comes out on Monday. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. And when the app comes out, there's a range of slow cooker recipes, air fryer, along with conventional cooking methods as well, like microwave, oven, stove, and so on. And there are 20 brand new recipes written just for the app. So like this low mean beef, and then there are all the classic ones from the high protein handbooks, which you already enjoy. We'll be adding more and more each month. So I really hope you'll enjoy it. And in the meantime, make sure to subscribe if you've not already had a chance, and let me know what you think of the low mean beef once you've made it. I absolutely love this, and my kids love this one too. It's got that like fake away feel to it, and it's a winner. Right, I'm off to eat it. Speak to you later.